Yeah, hello friends, this is Sunil Pawar here and I'm back with one more video. In today's video, we will see demo call for tomorrow, demo call for 20th August. So tomorrow it is a weekly expiry for Nifty and Bank Nifty, and for that weekly expiry, we are going to see call in this video. But before we start that call, before we start watching that call, let me tell you what happened, what was the performance of last expiry call. So this was the last expiry call that this call was given for 13th August. Last weekly expiry was 13th August. So this is the video in which that call was given. So incidentally, after lot of months, if you see this channel, you will find every week, every Thursday, there is a demo call you can see in this channel. So after a lot of months, for the first time on 13th August, both the calls Nifty and Bank Nifty hit the stop loss. So there was a loss in the calls of Nifty and Bank Nifty on 13th August. So, and only one call activated, and that has hit the stop loss. One call of Nifty, one call of Bank Nifty, both activated and hit the stop loss, and after that no call activated. So immediately on 14th August, I had given other call. I had given a recovery call immediately next day, because I was quite confident on the accuracy of the system, on the accuracy of the calls, and that's why immediately next day I had given demo call. So what happened on 14th August demo call, that we are going to see. This is 13th August, and this was the 13th August call that was given, and you can see here this was expiry special demo call. This was the call, this was call for 13th August. So this was the call, and I have written here Nifty call 11,300 and Bank Nifty call 22,300, both activated and hit stop loss. Puts not activated till now. Follow rules as per given in video. So both Nifty call and Bank Nifty call both had hit the stop loss, and that's why I had given this call for 14th August. This was the 14th August call. And what happened, what was the performance of 14th August call is, first Nifty call hit the target. This was the first trade. Nifty call first activated, then hit the stop loss, and then re-entry with double lots, and then hit the target. Then here Nifty call, here it has hit the target, but later on the same day it doubled. Bank Nifty call also hit the target and then doubled. So you can see here today's free demo calls. Nifty put 11,300, entry 96.08, doubled, hit 224.75. Bank Nifty put 22,200, entry 358.38, doubled, hit 750. So if we see this, in this call, 13th August call, it was loss, but on 14th August capital doubled, almost 2.5 times on 14th August immediately. So all the loss of 13th August was recovered, and there was a big profit made on 14th August. So this case tells us, rather than trading only on Thursdays, you should actually trade every day, then only you will make good money in options trading, or rather in Nifty and Bank Nifty options. So now let us see tomorrow's call. So this is the call that I have given to my paid clients for tomorrow. This is 20th August, expiry 20th August. Nifty call 11,400, Nifty put 11,400, Bank Nifty call 22,300, Bank Nifty put 22,300. So these are the entry prices, target and stop loss. So I will tell you in detail how to trade these calls. So basically we have developed one system. It is a zero loss strategy. As per this strategy we trade these calls. So these are the 7 rules which we follow to trade these calls. So what are the rules? Rules are very simple and very easy to execute. First rule is entry in trade only when call or put crosses entry price. This is the rule number 1. So it means tomorrow after 9:15, if Nifty call 11,400, if crosses 63.41, then target 79.98, stop loss 46.85. Nifty put 11,400, if crosses 36.65, then target 53.21, stop loss 20.09. So tomorrow if Nifty call crosses entry price, then buy call. If Nifty put crosses entry price, then buy put. Same rules for Bank Nifty. Rule number 2 is if option opens gap up, then wait for given buy level and enter at the level only. So tomorrow if call or put opens above the entry price, opens above the entry price but not above the target, it means let us say tomorrow Nifty call 11,400, entry price is 63.41. if it opens at 70 or let us say 65 or 68, then you can wait for 63 to come, wait for 63.41 to come. The moment it comes back down to 63.41, then you can buy here. Tomorrow it is expiry. If it is opening at 65 or 70, you can buy one lot and other lot you can buy below 63 so that your average price becomes 63. That way also you can buy. Double the quantity of second trade when stop loss is hit. It means if you enter into call and call hits the stop loss, then you exit the trade, wait for next trade to activate. If put activates, enter into put with double quantity, or if call again activates, please understand, if call again activates after hitting the stop loss, if call again activates, then you can enter into call with double quantity. If target is hit within 2 hours, then hold trade till 3:20 p.m. with stop loss on cost. If these targets given here in this table, if they are hit within 2 hours, then hold the trade till 3:20 p.m. but you put your stop loss on cost. So you should put your stop loss on buying price. If target is not hit and stop loss is also not hit, then carry a trade for 1 or 2 days. This rule is for regular days, not for expiry day. If stop loss is hit on both sides, then avoid trading for the day and next day take first trade with 3 lots. If pre-market calls in Nifty Express open above target, then avoid and follow live market calls in fact signals. It means these are the live market calls. These calls I am giving you one day before. Today it is 19th and 19th evening I am giving calls for 20th August. So paid clients are given calls one day before. But if these calls open above target, either call or put, whatever, either call or put, if it opens above the target tomorrow after 9:15, then you will not be able to trade these calls. Then in that case I will give you the calls at 10:15 a.m. tomorrow. So in that case you do not try to trade these calls, you just ignore these calls and wait for my next call, which will come by 10:15 to 10:20 a.m. tomorrow. So on expiry day, trade with 2 lots, exit 1 lot on target, carry other lot till 3:20 p.m. double the quantity of opposite option when stop loss is hit. So these are the rules. So last expiry told you it was double of the capital, means the options went double in single day last expiry. So how that happened? Just because the first target was hit within 2 hours, and that's why that trade was carried till 3:20 p.m. So at 3:20 p.m. their prices were double. So double was not the target, but as per this rule, the trades were carried till 3:20 p.m. where they became double. So let us see what happens tomorrow in these calls. And friends, these are my channels. On YouTube, if you search Sunil Suklal Pawar, there are already 14,000 subscribers already there, and they are taking benefit of all these demo calls. If you see, this channel is flooded with all the demo calls. These are all free demo calls which you get every week here, and these calls are absolutely jackpot calls. Jackpot means, like for example, this call was given on 30th July and capital doubled in expiry demo call of 30th July. So it means these calls are demo jackpot calls, means you can expect a big profit in these calls. So this is my Sunil Pawar, the best option analyst. This is the channel on Telegram. I will show you the link also. This is the link, Sunil Pawar Option King, t.me/Sunil Pawar Option King. If you search like this, you will get this channel. You see my pic and then join the channel. There are again 3,300 traders are already subscribed there. So friends, this was the call for tomorrow. So let's see what happens tomorrow, and keep sharing these channels to all of your friends so that they can also take benefit of these free demo calls. Thanks.